can't talk. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Namonje. What's good? Oh my god. Okay, hi. What's up? Yes, how good. I can't talk right now. I'm so excited. Like today, 6th November, my page launched. It's already up. So if you're watching this video, you're late to the party. And yeah, I'm excited to announce that like it's up. That's why I'm wearing yellow today because my brand is yellow. It's one of my favorite colors actually, white and black, then yellow, mustard yellow. Recently, like last year, I added it to my favorite colors and stuff. So yeah, that's why my brand is yellow, black and white. Yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited. I can't stop smiling. But anyway, that's not what the video is about today. I'm just excited. I wanted to add this part to the beginning of the video because it's something that's making me like really happy. I'm so happy. I've thought about it, or I wanted to do this for a long time. Months when I thought of, okay, let me do it. 10 weeks, like, okay, let me do it. Like if I continue waiting and whatever, like as I explained in this video, which I'll link right up here, like let me just do it now or never. And yeah, I really hope it works out. If you already bought something from the page, link, say it below. If you're, because it's already launched right now, it's already up and ready, like there are things on the page. So if you've already got something, leave a comment down below. And yeah, so okay. I can't stop smiling. Let's get right into the video.
Bless that African woman, rich skin tone my woman, true African proud woman. Rise up African woman, everything so nice, body shape so fine, wise enough to be a ruler. This is Africa.
Oh dad, I can't stop smiling. Like my mouth, it's not working. Look, can't stop. Anyway, so the video is basically a house tour. Okay, I was looking for videos to do. Honestly, I didn't have a video to do for this week, so I was looking for a video to do in my phone and the list of videos that I have like planned out. And I thought of like, oh my god, when I was moving from my house where I used to stay, I had filmed some sort of house tour type of situation. So background, before I show you that clip or those clips, is that in India I came here in 2015, and from 2015 July to the following year July, I stayed in the hostel. Then I moved out. Then I've stayed in a total of 3 houses. Yeah, 4 now. Okay, 3 houses. I moved to my first house, which was in 2015, where we stayed there for I think almost like close to like 7 to 8 months, if I'm not mistaken. Then we moved because the landlord there just sucked. Like it was just the worst, and it was too expensive for us to stay in that house anyway. So we moved. Then we went to our second house, which I stayed in for it. I don't think it was for a long time. That was like from 2016, sometime in 2016 to 2017. Then we liked that house. We were comfortable in that house. We didn't really hate it, but the landlord like sold the house, and she was leaving. Like she was leaving India. She was going to like stay with her son somewhere. Like she was leaving, so she sold the house, and the people that she sold the house to wanted to move into the house, so we had to move out. And that was like close to me going home. Like that was 2017. I went home. I went back home to Zambia in 2017. So when that happened, we were looking for a house. That was like a month before I left. Like before I left to go to Zambia. That house we found. This is officially my last day in this room. This has been my home for the past 2 years, literally. Hi, I'm there. And yeah, my bed, I removed 2 other mattresses which are there. My bathroom. This is my bathroom. Hi, I'm here again. Yeah. I'm sad. I'm leaving this house forever. Dad, I had some good times in this room. My phone was charging. I had some good times in this house. I cried, you know. This is the kitchen of the house. There's my luggage, my 2 suitcases. One more is here. This stuff is supposed to be donated, like literally all this stuff. This maroon thing is from my room here. And all this stuff is supposed to be donated. And yeah, so more of my stuff which I couldn't pack right now, and just in a plastic. My shoes, the 2 mattresses for my bed, the 2 other mattresses. Then upstairs, that room there, there's someone there, so I can film this room. My roommate Tuambo, she left. If you recognize this place, if you really watch my videos, you recognize this spot. This is where I used to film my videos, the table, the chairs. And yeah, so this is basically the house I've been living in. This is the entrance. This is like where you come in from, and this is what you see. Or there's a scale here. And yeah, so up the stairs, one room, the other room looks the out. I think let me go out. And that's my room. I lost some sweeping it. Yeah, this table was here. And yeah, my bed, my fridge. This is a cooler. Then this wall here had my shoes, like this spot here had my shoe rack. There was an end there, and yeah, and that's outside. There's a mini balcony, more stuff which needs to be thrown. And let me take you guys upstairs. The house is a mess, I'm sorry, but like I just needed to do a house tour for myself. And yeah, so right now I'm going upstairs. This house has got 3 bedrooms, 3 rooms, and they're all self-contained. Then opening upstairs, yeah. Oh, let me turn on the light. Yeah, this is upstairs. We have our lines there, and all this space that you're seeing that's dark here is just a field, like the field. This area is like a farm area. And you could go up to the roof, but then they remove the ladder. There's a room here, but that's a door again. Let me just show you this door. And this door leads to a mini balcony. Hi, Shalom. That used to be Tawanga's house. For myself, I'm saying I'm recording a video of this house for memory's sake. Bye. So yeah, then I'm back. Close. Yeah, so, and we're back downstairs. Oh, this is the overview of the house from the top. Yeah, from the top, that's a fan. And yeah, that's basically it. I'm supposed to leave now. It's kind today. The date is the I can't see. Okay, today the 30th, and it's a Friday, 30th of August 2019. All these things are supposed to be donated. Let me even call the guy I'm supposed to call. So this house was the first time I stayed alone. And yeah, so we moved. Oh no, I actually didn't move into that house. No, before I left, I had paid my the security thing. Like secured the house and whatever, because I couldn't go home without finding a place to stay and then coming back here. Like it was just going to be hectic, like not having to find a place where I'm going to land when I come back. So basically found a place to stay. That's when I moved into this house. So I've been staying in that house from end of July of 2017 till 2019 August. Yeah, that's how long I stayed in that house. Oh my god, that was a long time. Like 2 whole years in that house. Yeah, that's why I stayed. Yeah, this house was this is where I learned independence, like genuinely learned how to be independent. And then it had a lot of memories. I did a lot of things in that house, you know, cried, as I mentioned in the video, laughed. As I said, I gotta stop smiling. Okay, so that's the house. My room. I wish I had pictures. Like I've searched to guys like so many times. I've checked for pictures like of my room before I like removed everything. But that was my room for 2 years, 2 long years. I lived in that. That was my home. And yeah, it was a good experience. Basically, it was a good room. I loved it. It was probably one of my favorite rooms. I stayed in here in India and stuff. Right now I'm staying with Tumelo, so that's different. But like, yeah, that's basically the house tour. And yeah, I'm sad. Like, the funny thing is, when I was leaving that day, I was like, wait, why am I sad? Like, I really want to leave this house. Like, I really want to go. But like, I look at my room and thought of like all the memories I had in that room, like my 22nd birthday. Like, it was just, you know, like, wow. Like, I actually would miss this room. Like, I would miss that room. I loved having like space and whatever. Like, it was like my room. Like, if you walk into that room, you would even know it's my. I even mentioned like on the windowsill that I had made this N thing. Like, it was an N for my name and whatever. So yeah, that's basically this Wednesday's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm done. I'm so excited. Go check out my page, Namonje Thrift Clothing. It's already live. It's launched today. There's some things right now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. It's not happening. But yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Go follow my page. Don't forget to follow my page. Go follow my Instagram. I also go follow my page. And go shop. It's like so. Why? Okay. Another thing I need to mention about my page is that everything is going to be unique. Even though I find like 2 things that look the same, I will not get them. I will get only one thing. Like I want it to be unique and like personalized, because that's what I like for myself. It's like it's personalized to me and it's about me and whatever. So that's basically what you're going to see. So if you find something that you like, make sure to copy it real quick, because it might be gone and you never see it again. Yeah, so that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed the house tour. And yeah, bye guys. See you next video.